I'm Detective Inspector Chemke Patch. I was at to see case Masaka. I recorded charge and caution statement. I recorded from Junior Samuel and Tony.
Wrapped it
In a sack.
in a sack.
It was put in a boot. Then they drove to Soweto, near the gate of the lake. He stopped. After stopping, when he came out of the vehicle, went on the gate and knocked. Later came and opened the gate. Lonnie entered, leaving the gate open. When Lonnie entered, he got to the lady. She was busy cooking. He sat with her. There was music. TV was on. Later, the two also entered. That's Makandia and Chiga. They entered. As they entered, Makandia got an axe and hit the lady on the head. The lady shouted, "Oh, you have killed me. I have known you. Lonnie, thank you very much."
Twebaza kkooti olw'okutuwa obudde okutuuliza omusango gwaffe, naye tulina okunyola kwa maanyi olw'ensonga nti Ronald yawaayo n'abobujulizi ng'agamba nti Ssemanda Ali, muganda wa Hajjati Aisha, muganda wa maama waffe, ne mukyala we Zahara Nansobuga, maama Poni, nti be baabagula okutta maama waffe. Abantu bano baateekebwa mu prisoni, naye ate kyatwewuunyisa nnyo nti baabata nga tebatuuse na mu kkooti. Naye ng'obujulizi obuluma abantu bano bwaliwo era bukyaliwo nti be baagula abantu bali okutta maama waffe. Twali badde bamativu ng'abantu bano nabo bawozeseddwa bateekebwa mu maaso g'omulamuzi.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.